In this video, we'll be going over how to change the air pressure settings on the ResMed AirSense 10 AUTOSET. Now, if you're like most people, you've probably gone into the My Options menu and quickly realized that there is no option to change the air pressure. To do this, we have to enter what's known as the clinical menu. To get there, take your turn button and ensure that the My Options menu is highlighted. From there, press and hold the home button and the turn button at the same time for a few seconds, like so. Now you can see we've entered the clinical menu. Click on Settings. From here, you can adjust the maximum pressure and the minimum pressure, as well as various other settings that you don't have access to in the regular menus, such as the EPR values. The EPR values can be adjusted in real time while wearing the mask in order to determine which setting is the best fit for you. Once you're done, simply scroll back up to Home, scroll up to Exit Clinical Menu, and continue using your CPAP as you normally do.